Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Artistic Maitri and today's video is about how to make oxidized jewelry at home. So let's begin with making a ring. To make a ring we need a piece of cardboard, air dry clay and a mirror. Now we have to stick the air dry clay to the cardboard as the base of the ring and then we will stick the mirror to our base. Now make a few small balls to decorate the ring so you can stick it to the ring. You can stick the balls with glue, but it's not necessary because it gets stick to our base easily. After that, take some more air dry clay and make a very thin cylindrical shape and stick it. Then make more such balls for the outer part. I took the back side of a pen refill to do that. I took a wire and made it round as my finger size. Stick some air dry clay to that too. Then stick it to the ring and keep aside for 3 to 4 hours and let it dry. Till it dries, let's make the earring. To make an earring, take another piece of cardboard and draw how you want your earring to look like. Then cut it and make another one too. Then stick the air dry clay to the cardboard and make the earring base. And to attach the earring hoop to it we have to insert the head pin, and this head pin is different. Now decorate it just how we decorated the ring and let it dry for 3 to 4 hours, and then we will make our necklace in the spare time. Let's make our necklace in the spare time. Take a piece of cardboard and draw a shape for your necklace and cut it. Check the mirror and decorate it similarly and keep it aside to dry. Now let it dry, and after 3.5 hours my ring was dried. Now let's color it with black acrylic color. Poster color is fine, you can use it. Let it dry and then only you should proceed. Now I've taken a silver paint and very lightly spread it on the ring to give an oxidized look. And our oxidized ring is ready. After the earring dries, attach the ear hook to it. Do the same as we did it with the ring for all of the jewelry. You can use silver powder instead of silver paint, but many people don't get the silver powder in the market, so I used the silver paint. And it's all ready. Thanks for watching.